How are you, mate?
Oh, maybe the festival's on the other side. No, surely not.
So I don't know if you're going to believe it, but all of the footage you just saw was shot on this thing. My new toy, the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So I bought this thing a few days ago actually to take it with me mountain biking. I want to set up some kind of panning shots and use some of the active track stuff to track me doing jumps and drops and things like that. So that way I can have the chest mount with the GoPro footage and also have some static shots that are set up on a tripod or just, putting this thing on the ground, sitting how it is now. So yeah, I reckon that'll be pretty cool. So you'll probably see some more of that footage in my next mountain bike video on that sort of thing. So let's get this day moving. So I'm actually catching up with a friend for dinner in the city tonight. We're going for some drinks and some spicy chicken food. So that'll be pretty cool. But before we get to that, I need to sort out this backyard because I'm actually hosting a New Year's Eve party this year and it's a mess at the moment. So we'll sort out the backyard, jump on the laptop for a few hours, and then we'll be off. Are you gonna help me clean the backyard or what? Nope. So I've shot this whole video on the Pocket 3 and the footage that comes out of this thing is really good. I've been shooting all the clips in D-Log M 10-bit and then grading it with Phantom LUTs. For a camera this small, the footage that comes out is bloody incredible. The next challenge for this thing is I'm taking it out to my local trails tomorrow. I'm going to set up some static shots of me and a mate hitting some trails, so it should be good. I'll catch you in that video. Oh yeah, if you like this stuff, please make sure to like and subscribe. Catch you later.